And now a $345 million potential bond for expansion of University Medical Center is at the center of debate. UMC is making its pitch to the public.
And as we showed you in our earlier newscast, the grassroots organization is trying to get 25,000 signatures before September 12th to force that potential bond to be decided on by voters. UMC is asking commissioners to approve certificates of obligation, which does not require voter approval.
ABC 7's Sarah Correa went to tonight's public presentation at the Chamizal Memorial, and she joins us live now with the details. Sarah.
Stephanie, UMC's board discussed the timeliness of passing the bond through a certificate of obligation. They also brought attention to a false flyer they say is giving the community wrong ideas.
I've heard that we're going to increase your income tax by 20%. False. That we're going to be the highest taxing entity in Texas. False.
Jacob Cintron, president and CEO of El Paso County Hospital District, says false information is circulating about the $345 million bond, creating confusion. He says the bond's total impact on the tax dollar is less than 2%, or up to $9 a month per household.
So 1.5 Frappuccinos, 1 or 2 orders of Whataburger, and we're saying for that, help us provide cancer care in our community for those that don't have insurance. Help us provide geriatric services for our older population. We want to make sure that through public forums like this, we're able to state the facts, show what we're really dealing with.
Cintron said he wants more community involvement at these presentations, which some of the people present agreed with.
There's a handful of people. There should be hundreds, 100 people here, wanting to get in and say something.
El Pasoan Christopher Falk shared his thoughts on the certificate of obligation at the presentation.
What they've done is taken the people's voice out of this $350 million.
He does not agree.
We're teetering on a recession, and we won't know really for a year how bad the recession is going to be. So now's not the time to be spending $350 million that we don't have.
Others were for it.
This is the time. We didn't need this. We don't need this today, tomorrow. We needed this yesterday. I don't think that there's a price for health. That's we need to pay whatever we need for our health.
A sentiment that Cintron also shared.
When is it a good time to raise taxes? It's never a good time. Nobody likes their taxes raised. But we have an obligation to provide good health care for our community, for all people, regardless of their ability to pay.
Cintron also added getting approval for the bond by way of certificate of obligation is in an effort to save more money because the cost of the hospital's renovations will only go up as time passes. And if you want to hear more about what was shared at tonight's presentation, you can view it at capacityforcare.com. Sarah Correa, ABC 7.